Hey guys, welcome to AshiqPradeep community. So today I'm going to explain about supervisor command in Linux. So what is exactly supervisor command? So for example, if you have a service in your Linux, it can be Apache service, it can be MySQL service, it can be NFS server, it can be DNS server, whatever it can be. Any services or background process. Suppose if you want to monitor this service continuously and you want to restart or you want to start the service whenever it fails. So you might be already used systemctl stop, systemctl start and the service name, right? So suppose if you want to monitor your services or background daemon process continuously and you want to restart whenever it failed automatically. So this is we can achieve by using supervisor D. So I'm gonna show you how we can install this tool. Along with I'll show you one demo. I will install Nginx or MySQL. One of the services I'll install in my Ubuntu server. Then I'll show you how it works. So without wasting time, let's get started. So first I'm gonna create a virtual machine. So I opted AWS Cloud over here. So let me go to EC2. Okay, I have successfully connected my virtual machine now. Okay, I'm updating my server first. Let's execute apt update -y. This will update my system. Now let me execute my install command and this will install my supervisor command. I have successfully installed my supervisor D. So now let's create a configuration file. So you can see the configuration file directory. It's under /etc supervisor. Under supervisor you can see the configuration file. Let's copy this. Let's open this file. Yeah, this is the file. So you can leave this configuration. If you come down, yeah, so here you can add your new configuration. For example, if you want to monitor Nginx service, if you want to monitor Apache service, if you want to monitor any of the services which you're installing on your system, you can monitor over here. Okay, maybe tomorrow you're installing Redis server. So if you want to continuously monitoring Redis, whenever it fail, you want to restart, you want to start the machine. Okay, you can do that. What you can do, you can install supervisor D command, then you can add that service name over here. So for a quick example, what I'm going to do, I'll try to install Nginx. On top of Nginx, I'll create this supervisor now. Okay, let's install Nginx. I have installed Nginx. So let me check the Nginx status now. Okay, this is active and running. Let me stop this Nginx service right now because I don't want to start this automatically. Instead, I want to start by using supervisor command. I have stopped. I'm checking the status again. You can see that this is now inactive, right? This is now inactive. Okay, now we have to add the Nginx configuration in our supervisor D. So let's open the directory location, sorry, configuration location, supervisor.d.conf under /etc supervisor. Let's come down. Okay, so beneath you can add Nginx configuration. So program, so this is fixed. You can specify program Nginx, program Apache, program Redis, whatever you want. And this is the starting command. So whenever you want to start a Nginx, we can execute this command, and this is working in daemon off mode because we cannot run this in a daemon mode. This has to be run in background. Okay, and this is, you can see that auto start true, auto restart true, start retrace 5 time it will retry, number of process 1, and start seconds 0, and some other configuration, logging configuration, and maximum log file, maximum bytes, everything I have specified. So now let me control O, enter, control X. Now I have successfully saved this. So now what I'll do, I'll try to execute supervisor CTL. Okay, this is the CLI tool we can use for supervisor D. I can check the status of all services. Okay, for example, if I'm managing 10 or 15 services by using supervisor D, I will be able to access all service status under the supervisor CTL status. So as of now, you can see that we couldn't see any services under supervisor CTL status. So the reason supervisor D don't know whether I have a services or not. So first we have to let supervisor know now you have a one service and you have to work on that service, right? So for that, first we have to advertise the service with a supervisor CTL or supervisor D service. So for that, I'm going to execute this command, supervisor CTL reread. Yeah. So now you can see that Nginx available. Now supervisor D came to know, okay, now I have one service called Nginx. Now it's available. Now to start our all services, you can execute supervisor CTL. Then you can just update all the services. Okay, just need to update this command. Okay, now this is started all the services. So earlier you might be remembering, so we stop our Nginx service deliberately, but now if we go to Nginx service, you should be able to see that. Okay, now let me execute systemctl status Nginx. So here you can see that Nginx service still stopped. The reason, so now we are managing our Nginx service by using supervisor D. Okay, so supervisor D is another CLI tool. So by using that, we can monitor continuously, and often we can restart the services whenever it fail. Okay, so that is what we are using for confirming. I am just executing what are the port numbers are available in my virtual machine right now. You can see that port number 22 SSH and port number 80, and this is listening Nginx. Okay, the reason I'm able to access Nginx now, it's up and running. That's what I'm able to see this port number. And if you want to see Nginx homepage, I can just execute curl http localhost, and this will go to port number 80, and you can see that welcome to Nginx. Yeah, we did it. Okay, that's it. It's a small video. Just want to explain like how supervisor D command work. That's it. Okay, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.